meeting to order. Okay. Good evening. This is the hearing of the Grafton Township Officers Electoral Board set for Monday, December 10th, 2012 at 7:30 p.m. The time is now 7:30 p.m. and we are meeting at the Huntley Park District's multi-purpose room. I am Trustee Barb Murphy. I'm Chairman of the Electoral Board. This board has been called into session pursuant to my call after a set of objections were filed regarding the validity of petitions for Township Supervisor for the February 26, 2013 consolidated primary election. By law, the board consists of the Township Supervisor, the Township Clerk, and the longest-serving trustee. Because this objection involves the office of the Township Supervisor, the Supervisor has a conflict and cannot serve on this electoral board. Under the election code, I am the replacement as the second longest-serving trustee. I will call the roll of the members so that the record will reflect their presence. Member Ford. Yes. Member Zerk. Here. Chairman Murphy present. A majority of the electoral board is present. Let the record also reflect that we have with us this afternoon Adam Lasker, the electoral board's attorney, who will be assisting us this afternoon, or this evening. The record further reflect that notice of this meeting was posted on December 6, 2012, pursuant to the Open Meetings Act, and that said notice contained an agenda. There is one case on the board's docket. The first case is Crone versus Bender, case number 2013-01. Is there anyone present on behalf of the objector?
It's myself. My name is Judith Svensson. I represent the Svensson Law Offices, and I represent the objector, Rayburn Crone. We are here tonight to withdraw our objection to the candidacy of Hamilton.
Is there anyone present on behalf of the candidate?
Yes, both Cameron and James Kelly.
I asked both of you to get an appearance form. You guys already did that. You guys already filled out your appearance form, so we don't have to do that, which I have in here. All right, the first order of business is the adoption of rules for the electoral board. These rules have been prepared by the attorneys, and we understand that these are standard rules similar to those used by other electoral boards throughout the state, including the State Board of Elections and others. Have all parties had an opportunity to review the rules? Does anybody really want copies of the rules? Or you guys are all familiar with it, probably better than I am. Nope. Okay, cool. Is there a motion to adopt the rules?
I'll make that motion. Second.
Okay. I'll agree. The rules are unanimously adopted. The Township Clerk will maintain that the official record of the board's proceedings and any pleadings, motions, and similar documents may be served on the clerk's office during regular office hours or during the board's hearing. Copies of any document should be faxed and emailed to the attorneys as provided in the rules. Okay, so Mr. Lasker, please enter the rules into the board's record of board's exhibit number 1.
And does the clerk have a copy of the rules in the file already?
I have them right here. No.
Well, here I have a copy here.
Yeah, you know what? I don't. Oh,
There you go.
sitting right in front of me. I'm sorry.
Here is the board exhibit 1.
Okay. We ask that the parties note that the electoral board has arranged to have these proceedings. Well, actually, we didn't. These proceedings are being recorded by the clerk. Okay. The board does not plan to have a transcript prepared unless the board needs a transcript for a particular purpose. Okay. I will now enter the following documents. Call of the meeting for case 01, which you have a copy of the call here. The waiver of service calls for all cases on Lighthouse, Murphy, Ford, and Zerk. I also have Mr. Crone's right now. Open meeting notice, I have that in your file.
Do you have a return of service from suspended?
Not yet. I have not gotten that one, or from Attorney Svensson, which it'll probably take a while for that to come in.
I did sign.
Okay, I'll be getting it soon. Okay, so are there any questions regarding these documents? Cool. All right, so Mr. Lasker will enter them into the record as boards exhibit 2 through 8.
So entered.
Any returns of the service receipts for certified mail that we receive later will be added into the record by the attorney. Okay, without reading them in full, we will also enter into the record and the original petitions for all cases as Board Exhibit 9, the original objections to the Board Exhibit 10, which is all right here. The originals are all in here, and the objection and everything. Okay, now, we have received word from the objector's attorney that the objector is withdrawing the objector's petition. That is correct? Okay. In that case, is there a motion to accept the withdrawal and to deny the objector's position?
I'll make that motion. Second.
Should have a
Roll
roll call.
call vote.
Trustee Zerk,
Yes.
Chairman Murphy.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, based upon this, we have asked our attorney to prepare a written decision accepting the withdrawal and denying the objector's petition and finding that the name of Pam Fender, shall be printed on the ballot for the February 26, 2013 consolidated primary election. Is there a motion to adopt our written decision?
I'll make that motion. Second.
Roll call, please.
Trustee Zerk,
Yes.
Chairman Murphy.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. Here is the motion. How many originals?
We're going to have 3
Three
originals.
originals. That's what I
One
wanted.
original will be for the objector, one original will be for the candidate, and one will be for
Okay, I just wanted to double check. I
the
thought you
board's
said
file.
three.
I want the parties to understand that pursuant to the Illinois Election Code, today is the day that you are receiving the board's written and final and appealable decision. Pursuant to statute, you have 5 days to file any appeals or petitions for judicial review with the Circuit Court of this county. Failure to file that within 5 days, and you will waive your ability to appeal.
One. Two. Sorry. One, two, three. And there's the
Now,
third.
tender copies of the written decision to the parties.
Oh, yeah, you need that one. Okay. Motion carried. We did that. Is there any public comment? Okay, no public comment. Is there a motion to adjourn?
I'll make that motion. Second.
We are adjourned.
Ask the select board we're hearing ever, thank you for coming.
Seriously, thank you very much. Appreciate it. And God knows I appreciate you guys for doing this because I wouldn't remember how to say all this. You take all that?
Yeah.
Cal, did you want?